Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for Jeep enthusiasts, the Savadicar door limiting straps. If you own a Jeep Wrangler JK or JKU from 2007 to 2018, you're in for a treat. These straps are not just accessories, they're the best Jeep JK door straps you can find on the market today. Let's take a closer look at what makes these door limiting straps stand out. Designed specifically for the Jeep Wrangler JK and JKU models, these straps provide an essential function. They effectively limit how far your doors swing open, protecting your vehicle from damage, especially in tight spaces. If you've ever accidentally flung a door open too far, you know the pain of a scratched paint job or damaged hinges. With the Savadicar straps, you can say goodbye to those worries. Now, let's talk about quality. The Savadicar door limiting straps are crafted from durable Oxford material. This ensures that they are not only tough but also designed to withstand the wear and tear of regular use. The multi-layer stitching adds an extra layer of security, making these straps a long-lasting solution for your Jeep. Installation is straightforward. You don't need to be a mechanic or have any special tools. Simply unscrew the existing door strap bracket and replace it with the Savadicar strap. It's a quick process that you can do at home in just a few minutes. No complicated steps, no hassle, just simple, effective protection for your Jeep. One of the standout features of these straps is their design. They come with a wire protecting harness, which is a thoughtful addition. This ensures that your electrical components are safeguarded while maintaining the functionality of your doors. It's these little details that really set the Savadicar door limiting straps apart. Overall, the Savadicar door limiting straps are a fantastic investment for any Jeep Wrangler JK or JKU owner. With a sleek black finish, they blend seamlessly with the interior while providing the essential functionality of protecting your vehicle. Plus, with Savadicar's 1-year after-sales service guarantee, you can feel confident in your purchase. So, if you're looking to enhance your Jeep's safety and functionality, these door straps are definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description below to grab your own pair of Savadicar door limiting straps. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations on the best automotive accessories out there. Thanks for watching and drive safe.